Understanding VLANs using WhatsApp communities. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bewlynx. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-understand tech content. And to all our returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. You guys are awesome. Today we're going to learn what a VLAN is, and we'll explain it using something almost everyone is familiar with: WhatsApp communities. By the end of this video, you'll understand VLANs without getting lost in complicated networking terms. So let's get started. So what exactly is a VLAN? VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. It is a logical network created on a network switch. That said, a VLAN allows one physical network switch to behave as if it were multiple separate networks. That may sound confusing at first, but don't worry. We'll explain it using a simple WhatsApp analogy. First, let's understand how a switch works without VLANs. By default, a network switch operates as one single network. This means every device connected to the switch can communicate with every other device. Computers, printers, IP phones, and other network devices all share the same network. That sounds convenient, right? But here's the problem. Imagine your company has 40 employees and you purchase a 48-port switch. Since everyone is connected to the same switch, every employee belongs to the same network. When a broadcast message is sent, every connected device receives it. There is no logical separation between departments such as HR, finance, or engineering. In networking, we say they all belong to the same broadcast domain. As your network grows, this creates several problems: reduced privacy because everyone shares the same network, increased security risks, more unnecessary broadcast traffic, which can reduce network performance. Now you might ask, should I buy a separate switch for every department? That would work, but it would be expensive and difficult to manage. So what's the better solution? This is where VLANs come in. Imagine you create a WhatsApp community called Tech Company Community. Inside that community, you create 3 groups: HR group, finance group, and engineering group. Everyone belongs to the same community, but each department has its own group. The HR team only sees HR conversations. The finance team only sees finance discussions. The engineering team only sees engineering messages. Although everyone is inside the same community, each group's conversations remain separate. Now let's connect this to networking. Think of the WhatsApp community as your physical network switch. The individual WhatsApp groups represent VLANs. For example, HR group Runc VLAN 10, Finance group Runc VLAN 20, Engineering group Runc VLAN 30. These VLANs are all configured on the same physical switch. Everyone is connected to the same switch, just as everyone belongs to the same WhatsApp community. However, their communication remains separated into different VLANs. That is exactly what a VLAN does. So why do we use VLANs? There are 3 major benefits. 1, improved security. Just like the finance department has its own private WhatsApp group, VLANs separate sensitive departments from the rest of the network. Not everyone should have access to every department's traffic. 2, better network performance. Imagine someone sends a message in the engineering WhatsApp group. Only engineering members receive it. HR and finance members are not disturbed. Similarly, VLANs limit broadcast traffic to devices within the same VLAN. This reduces unnecessary network traffic and improves overall performance. 3, easier network management. Suppose a new employee joins the engineering department. You simply add them to the engineering WhatsApp group. In networking, you assign that employee's switch port to VLAN 30. There's no need to redesign the entire network or purchase another switch. Now here's an important question. Can devices in different VLANs communicate with each other? By default, the answer is no. Just like members of different WhatsApp groups cannot send messages directly into another group's chat, devices in different VLANs are isolated from one another. If communication between VLANs is required, we use something called Inter-VLAN routing. Inter-VLAN routing is usually performed by a router or a Layer 3 switch. You can think of it as a community administrator who allows approved information to move between different WhatsApp groups when necessary. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this: a VLAN is like a WhatsApp group inside a WhatsApp community. Everyone shares the same platform, but each group communicates separately. Likewise, everyone shares the same physical switch, but each VLAN forms its own virtual network. That's why VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. And that's VLANs explained using WhatsApp communities. I hope this analogy made VLANs much easier to understand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Bewlynx for more simple and practical networking tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments which networking topic you'd like me to explain next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.